Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, in our previous class, we have seen the practical class of the scratch window, right? So, today we are going to know about few more blocks that are present in the scratch. So, let us start, children. So, first one is the looks block. Let us know what is a looks block. The name itself says that the looks block means what? It will be describing about the appearance, right? Appearance of what? Sprites and the stage. Sprites means the characters that we are inserting in the animation. Okay? Next, in this scratch window, we are having total 17 looks block, children. Okay? So, what is a looks block? Looks block is used to show the appearance of the sprites and the stage. Okay? There are total 17 looks block in the scratch window. Okay, children? Next, pen block. Pen block means what? Pen means what? It is usually a instrument which is used for writing. Okay? So, using this pen block, we can change the pen's color, shade and the size. Okay, children? There are total 11 blocks in the scratch window. How many blocks are there? 8. In that, there are 11 pen blocks. Okay, children? Next one. There are 17 looks block, 11 pens block. Remember this, children. Next, sensing block. Sensing means what? To feel, right? Sense means what? To feel. So basically, this sensing block is used to sense the mouse, keyboard and scripts on the stage. That means sensing means what? Regarding the computer, sensing means the input and output, right? How can we give the input and output and all? Using the input and output devices. For example, mouse and keyboard. Okay? Next, we are also giving the scripts. Scripts means what? The instructions to the scratch window. Right, children? Using this keyboard and mouse. That is what called as sensing block. And there are 17 sensing blocks in the scratch window. Okay? Remember, children, there are 17 looks block. Basically, this looks block is used for the appearance of the sprites and stages. Okay? And there are 11 pen blocks. Okay? Pen is an writing instrument. Basically, this pen block is used for changing the color size. Okay? Next, sensing block. There are 17 sensing blocks. Sensing means nothing but to give the input using the mouse and keyboard. That means we are writing the code now to animate using the scratch window. Okay, children? Next, sound block. The name itself specifies, right? Sound block means sound, right? We can use sound block to give the sounds in the scratch window. Okay? As we are having the sprite gallery, that means I have showed you a list of sprites. That means in that you will be having animals, people, different angles they will be standing. Right, like that only we will be having a sound gallery also. That means there will be different kinds of sounds that are present in that particular gallery. Okay, children. Next point, we can import these sounds by clicking on those buttons. That means import means we can insert. Okay, we can use any of those sounds that are present from the sound gallery just by clicking on that particular sound option. Okay, children? Next, if we don't like those particular sounds that are present in the sound gallery, we can even record also. Okay? Using the record button. Next, or else what is the next option? Even we can download from the net and then insert those sounds in the scratch window. Okay children. Next, let us know what kind of sounds does this scratch window accept. These scratch windows can accept MP3 files. That means MP3 means are songs. Okay, or else WAV, AIF and AU files also. I will be giving these full forms when I will be giving you the assignment. That is the revision work. Okay children. Next. So, next one is operators block. Operators means what? Operations. As we all know about maths, there are different kinds of operators. Okay children, in this scratch window we will be having three kinds of operators. They are mainly, we are using these kinds of operators mainly, that means most commonly used operators. Okay, arithmetic operators, relational operators and Boolean operators. Arithmetic operators means what? Plus, minus, multiplication or division. While coming to relational operators, greater than. Relational means what? It specifies the relation between those two numbers or characters, right? Relation means it may be less than, greater than or equal to. Okay? Next, Boolean operators. Boolean operators are of three types. That is and, or not. Okay? These three are mainly used operators in the scratch window. Unless leaving these, including all these operators, we are having 17 operators in the scratch window. Okay children. Next, variables block. Variables block, as you people have seen in the practical class, I have showed you two variables x and y. Whenever I am explaining about these variables in that practical class only, I have showed you. Again I am explaining you. So, what happened to those variables x and y? Whenever I am moving this particular mouse pointer, the value of those x and y variables have been changing. Okay. So, that means what? It will be remembering and storing that particular value as a score in any game. Okay children. For example, what we'll be doing? The x and y values, whatever it will be changing, what it does, it will be storing that particular value and it will be remembering that particular value, as if we will be writing the score when we will be playing a particular game. Okay children? Clear? Next, now let us see how to make a variable. There are 4 steps. First one is, first click the variables block. After that, we will be clicking on make a variable block, and then we should write a variable name and then click on OK button. That means we are even having an option to change the variables also, not only x and y. Instead of x and y, we can even give a and b. Whatever we want, we can give over there. Okay children? Is everyone able to understand what I am saying children? So today we came to know about looks block, pen block, sensing block, sound block, operators and variables. So let us recollect them once again. Looks block means appearance. How many are there? 17. Blocks. Which blocks? Looks blocks. Okay. Next, coming to pens block. Pen means what? It is a writing instrument. Okay. It is used to change the color and size. Okay. Like that, there are 11 pen blocks. Okay children. Next, coming to sensing blocks. Right? Sensing blocks means to sense. Yes or no? Next, sound block. Sound block means we can insert the sound. How many sensing blocks are there? 17 sensing blocks are there. Okay. Sound means we can insert the sound using the sound gallery that is present, or else we can record any sound, or else we can download the songs or anything whatever we like, and we can store them in the scratch window. Okay children. Next coming to the operators block. Operators block means we are having mainly three operators which is called as arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator and Boolean operators. Okay, like that we are having 17 operators. Okay, arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. While coming to relational operators, less than, greater than or equal to. While coming to Boolean operators, it is and or not. Clear children? Last but not the least is the variables operators. Variables block. Okay? In variables block, we will be having two variables in which it will be storing the and remembering the value. Okay? As if we will be writing the score for any particular game. Clear children? If you are having any doubts, you can contact me at any time without any doubts children. Okay? Thank you. I hope you all understood today's class.